Boomtown is KVUE's look at the impact of all the growth in Central Texas and how it impacts you. A recent report for apartment investors shows the rental housing market is not stable. It's driving prices down. The KVUE Defenders spoke with the researcher behind this report and pulled banking data showing housing investments around the state. Here's investigative reporter Erica Proffer.
Those who are looking to rent or are up for renewal may find lower prices soon. A new report shows housing prices are falling. That's good news for renters. Not so good news for the investors looking to add to our housing supply. Austin Investors Interests publish reports tracking multifamily housing in the Austin metro area. Their third quarter data shows the average monthly rent is $1,603. Now context, that is still hundreds of dollars higher than the start of 2021. So let's look at the numbers. The average price peaked last spring at $1,742. So compared to now, that's a decrease of about $140. And keep in mind, this is the Austin metro area. So it's Austin and the surrounding cities. And the prices depend on the area and the size of the unit. A 3-bedroom in downtown Austin can run you nearly $7,000 a month. We spoke with the owner of Austin Investors Interests about their report.
Just had a euphoric market with so many tenants moving in from the east and the west coast. And so developers, of course, recognize this demand, but now we're not getting the influx we formerly did.
Robin Davis says data shows more than 30,000 units are set to open within the next year. Most of those will be at market rate.
Only like 6,000 units is anticipated to be official affordable housing.
Annually, the cost of a rental fell the most here in Northwest Austin. Not everywhere had a reduction in price. Bastrop is up nearly 5% since last year. So where do you find the best deal? Well, even though Bastrop did increase, it's still the cheapest option per square foot. And generally speaking, areas outside Austin are cheaper. Looking inside the city limits, the northeast, northwest, and southeast areas may be least expensive. Still hundreds higher than early 2021. We compared this report to the latest economic report from the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas and pulled data from Texas Real Estate Research Center at Texas A&M University. Survey respondents echoed Davis and told Dallas Fed interest rates slowed business. The Real Estate Research Center also shows a drop in the rent index in the state, adding Austin is still higher than Dallas, Houston, and San Antonio. And you can read all of these reports and find out what developers are saying online with this story at KVUE.com. For the KVUE Defenders, I'm Erica Proffer, KVUE News.